So I got a package in the mail today, all the way from China. About, I want to say it was late April. I ordered this and it just got to me, which isn't surprising. I ordered it off of wish.com and it just got to me. No big deal. It was $6. One of the biggest issues with my E30, one thing that I don't like, and I believe it was on my 8 things I hate about my E30, there is no cup holder. And there are plenty of people who make cup holders out there for E30s, whether it's something you put in your car or something somebody's come up with that you can duplicate their design. Either way, they're about $35 to, I'd say $65 on average. There are some more than that. There are not any less than that I could find. So I found this on wish.com. Man, I'm struggling. Found this on wish.com and it was $6. With shipping, I think it came out to like $8. But I'm pretty excited about it. What does that say? Oh, that shows it right there. So that is the cup holder that I got. It literally goes in between your seat. So it will go on the passenger side in between the seat and the center console, and it will now hold my cups. Thank God. Whenever I have anything to drink, I either have to drink it really fast before I drive the car, which is inoperable right now, or I just squeeze it between the seat or hold it between my legs, which is hard to do when you're shifting. So this will come in handy, and I'm really, really excited that I only paid $8, shipping included for it, and not $35 or $50. So I'm gonna go out and test fit this, or actually just put it in. Super simple install, obviously. Just put this between the seat and show you what it looks like. Little ghetto because of the sport seats, these little raised up areas, but nonetheless it works. Ooh, even better that way. That's awesome. That's exactly how I hoped it would fit. Obviously it's not that stable, but it's pretty daggum stable. I don't think it's gonna move anything. Perfect. Awesome. That is it. I will put a link in the description to show you where I got it from. I'm sure everybody else has seen all the different options that you have for cup holders and E30s if you own one, because obviously they do not come with any cup holders. So this was an awesome, really, really cheap find. If you're in a super big hurry, don't hold your breath, because like I said, I think I ordered it April 24th. So less than a month to get here. Wish is kind of up in the air because it comes from a bunch of different sellers and it's just kind of up to them with how fast you get it, but I'm super happy, super stoked about this. So somebody can actually still sit here, and this can go right here, and we've got 2 cup holders. I could probably put a weight or something right there to maybe make it a little more stable, but it's not bad. So that's awesome. Very, very excited, and I will put the link in the description. So if you do not have a cup holder for your E30 and you don't want to spend a bunch of money on that, yeah, use Wish.